Yeah, welcome back to Lethal Hammer's channel. We are back doing a CPU temp run, just so we can show the temperatures under full load during Vantage mark. We're going to run both CPU tests back to back, both AI test and physics test, and see just how hot this chip warms up at 4.6 gigahertz at 1.435 volts. It's a pretty high overclock for this chip being on water, so the chip will probably warm up. My guess is around 71 to 74 Celsius max on some of the cores, but we'll see where we sit. We've got the fans right now on the rads at 1,200 RPM, so we got a decent flow going over in a push-pull. Let's just see where these temps rise up at. Again, sorry for the camera not being full screen. Zoom out a little bit. See what's going on. You can see our stock temps right now are hovering around 36 max and 31 on some of the cores. So let's see how it pans out under full load. As you can see, this 980x is a beast. Turns out numbers very well. Test 1, 30 seconds, full load. Crash and burn, the physics test actually seems to put the most load on the CPU. So we'll see how it runs. We do have physics enabled in this, so it will be running the CPU and the GPU. But we'll see what the max temps hit and real temp once this is done running. I'm going to set the camera down. There we have it. See our scores there. 90,000 on the GPU, or on the CPU. See the individual test scores. It's pretty good. I've yet to hit a 97 or a 90,000 in the overall run of things. Now let's see where our temps maxed out at. Wow. Actually, you can see they stayed fairly well this run. Max temps on the cores were 69 Celsius, 66, 68. So it stayed fairly cool overall compared to other runs. It is fairly cool in the room. I'd say it's about 75 degrees in here. So you can see the cores drop down to normal temperatures and stay nice and cool. Again, we are at 4.608. Very nice temps. Thanks for watching the video, and we've got more overclocking and more benchmarks to be had in the future, so check on back Lethal Hammer's channel and we'll get you some more updated videos.